ChatGPT competitors, Amazon jumps into fray with generative AI better than GPT 3.5. Amazon has released a new language model that outperforms GPT 3.5 on Science QA by 16 percentage points, or 75.1% to 91.6% accuracy. Will Amazon set a standard and enter the chatbot competition? Representational image, Tobias Huber via Pexels. OpenAI launched ChatGPT to the public just over 2 months ago, immediately shoving the AI-powered chatbot into the center of mainstream discourse, with debates about how it could alter business, education, and more. Then, tech giants Google and Baidu, based in China, launched their chatbots to show the public that their so-called generative AI, technology that can make conversational text, graphics, and more, is also ready for prime time. Also read, Google parent Alphabet loses $100 billion in market value after AI chatbot Bard gives wrong answer. Now, on the Science QA benchmark, Amazon's new language models do better than GPT 3.5 by 16 percentage points, 75.17%, than GPT 3.5, and even outperform many humans.